Today we're going to be removing and replacing the headlight assembly on the Silverado. It is the same process for 1500, 2500, and 3500s from 2007 to 14. I want to go ahead and start by opening up our hood and using our pry tool. Usually there is a cover here that is held on by multiple clips. You want to go ahead and remove that, as well as you want to go ahead and use a 10mm to remove 4 screws. This vehicle did not have them, but I will be replacing them at the end of the video. So to remove our grill, we're going to go ahead and come in here and create a little bit of separation. These clips are just held in by pressure inwards, so you just want to create a little bit of separation. You have 2 clips up top, 2 clips on the bottom, as well as on the corner. You have one on top and one on bottom. Now that our grill is out, we are able to access our headlight assembly. It usually has 2 10mm right there and 1 10mm right here on the side. That's really hard to see. This vehicle came in missing those screws. To remove that third one, you are going to need an extension. After removing that, just pull forward and we're going to go ahead and install our new light. Simply push in, hear that click in the connector, and then we're just going to follow through that line and adjust it, as well as come in here. They are 2 tabs in the corner. Make sure those tabs go into the frame. As you can see there, you might have to push a little bit depending on how far out your fender is sticking out. This has a metal bumper, so it makes it a little bit more difficult than it has to be. After that, we just push it in, align it, and we're gonna go ahead and add 2 10mm to it. Go ahead and follow the same steps for your other light, and once both lights are done, want to go ahead and grab your grill, and we're going to align it simply by putting it on top where the screws go. And keep in mind, we have to push in these tabs on top and bottom in the middle, as well as on each corner. Once we're aligned, all we have to do is just push inward, making sure those clips latch onto the metal frame. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and add those 10mm that this truck did not have to that grill to make sure it's nice and fastened. Once grill is fastened, you would typically have to put your top cover on by simply pushing in those plastic tabs. Like I said, this vehicle does not have one. Double check all the lights are turning on and working properly, and you are good to go.